It's Brad from Claw Manufacturing. I'm here today to install our Keyway Carbide Studs on our 320 C pattern tracks. So we're going to drill it out. Give her a little lubrication, some WD. You got to hit these pretty hard to get them in and started. Then you put your vice grips on and you rotate it 3 times. 1, 2, and see how it's getting tight? That's 3. There we go. We got her installed. We're offsetting a little bit, as you can see. This way you give better traction, but it's easy installation. They work awesome.